Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how to find the page ID, or to find the page using its ID or stuff, etc. So first of all, make sure that you are using WordPress. I'm using this current version of WordPress, which is 5.2, and yeah, open first your dashboard. If you don't know how to open it, go ahead and open wordpress.com/wp or WP and admin. Right after that, it will be landed. You will be landed on this page. You put your username and email, just like so, and log in. Sorry, something like that. Nice. So this page will be open for you. Now, what you have to do is go and, for example, let's check pages. Here we have all the pages. We have none, so we create a new one. Here we have the pages. After that, it will be showed like that. What you're gonna do is basically just come here and let's type page 1. Here we add something else. Here you can choose how it must look like, and yeah, we keep it that way. Here is the settings of the page. Let's background red, for example, and yeah, text color, for example, white, and yeah, let's keep it that way. So now we go documents, and here we check for page attributes. Here we can see all the information about the page from order. Like, for example, here is the ID. The ID is actually the order. Here is also, if we come down, some tags that you can add to your website. And if we make it published, here we will see everything. You can make it password protected. Here is the private, and here's public. Here's also, you can make public immediately or even scheduled. So we'll make it published now. And from here, you will see that the ID of your page is page 1, as you see here. So yeah guys, that was it with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.